Hello, hello. If you would like an update on my personal wellness planner, then stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I wanted to do an update on my Spek Personal rings, and this is my wellness kind of home planner. I say that very loosely because, yeah, I mean, it's kind of my home planner. I do have another one that I use off and on, and just depends, but this one is one that I am going to more frequently. And so, anywho, all right. So, first of all, let me just say, for those of you that know me and know that I absolutely love Bujo, I love bound books, I still do. But I will tell you that I am really enjoying rings for this, and I think it's definitely something that I'm going to keep around. Here's what I'm doing with that. So I am I'm not setting like boundaries or goals for this book for me. So I think knowing that has sort of helped me shape how this works for me. And if it just does sit and I'm not going into it, I'm okay with that. And I think that that's really important in finding the elusive, planner piece. A B6 and a weeks really for me have been for a long time my go-tos, but I really think that there's absolutely nothing wrong with changing it up sometimes and kind of adding something that, brings you some enjoyment so that you're just getting into another planner doing other things. So, with that being said, I am using this partly as a home planner. Now, there are some things in here that, to be completely fair, I just really haven't been using. And I may purge them out. It just really depends. So far, I'm going to keep them in, but it may end up being something I purge. Meals is one of them that I haven't been using, but I really need to get back on my regular diet. Now that things are opening up and I'm really able to get a lot of the foods that I couldn't get before, I really need to stick to it. So this is probably something I'm going to be revisiting again because I really need to meal plan, and I need that for myself as well because I really need to try and lose weight again for my health. And in order to do that, I really have to plan. So I do have like a weekly and I have a daily, and I do love these inserts. They're from Printable Planners. She is on Etsy and you can see her on Instagram as well. This one here, I believe, is from Jasenia Printables, and it's just a shopping list. And this is what I mean about like some of the foods that I needed, I just couldn't get. So I was just getting frustrated. So this one here, this tab is my prayer tab. This is something that I really I have this in a lot of my books. I have it. So recently I went on this like huge planner purge and I sold a ton of my planners. So hey to all you lovely ladies out there that bought my planners from me. And I decided to just go with like regular notebooks for certain things that I was actually using covers for. This is one of them. This is just from Staples. It's a Martha Stewart. It's disc bound. But I am using it for taking my sermon notes at church, and I'm also using it for, I have a Bible study on Wednesdays that's sort of like a church community adult Bible study. So I'm using it for that, and I'm using it for prayer. And I have another one that I have for just my women's Bible study that I'm using. I have prayer tabs as well. In my life, prayer is very important, and so I have it in a lot of my planners because it's that important to me. But because I really need to be sensitive to who I am praying for, I will not be showing you this, but I can show you just blank page. And so this is from SM Plans, and I will link all of these shops in the description below, but I am just using her, I'm not sure if this was her spring floral or summer floral. I don't remember, but it's really pretty anyway, and it goes very nicely with this. So I'm just using that to just kind of free write the different prayers. And so then I have a YouTube tab in here. This one might be going away because you guys will see in another video, I have done a completely separate social media planner that all of and more of these inserts that are in here are in that exclusively. So this is like content, and this one again is from Printable for Planners. And so she has a content planner and then a social media tracker, which I have not updated recently and need to. And yeah, so I have a lot more than this in my new planner, and it's just like a disc bound. And I just kept it simple so it didn't cost me a lot of money, because I don't need to spend a lot of money on something like that because I'm not sure how frequently I'm going to go to it. So with that being said, I may still keep a few of these in here because I don't know how often I'll use the other one. We'll see. But so then I have a to-do tab, and I have a number of different to-do things under that. So I have just a basic, and this is from Sterling Ink, and this is just like a running to-do list. So I have that. Then I have a actual cleaning schedule, and this is from Simple and Trendy Co. And so this is something I've really just kind of started implementing, where I'm just trying to keep track of certain cleaning things that I do regularly. And then this is my monthly, and I have decided to use this for a no spend. So that's what you will see, and I did terrible there when I'm gonna look at that. So we're gonna do better this month. Yeah, we'll see. That's the goal, is to do better. Well, I'm not sure. I hope so. I really do hope so. So yeah, so I'm basically like on the days that I do spend, I will show you what I'm doing. On the days that I do, I'm physically writing in, and then I'm writing it down here. This is similar to one that I used in my other personal wide, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then I am still doing just like weekly goal stuff that I'm going to be writing in here. I haven't started June yet because today is the first day. You guys will be seeing this far past the first day of June, because I have quite a few videos that I have batched, because that's one of my goals, is to do some batching videos on specific days. So some of these you will see a bit after the date takes place. So then I have a running daily. This one is from SM Plans as well. And sometimes I use it and sometimes I don't, and that's okay. And that is kind of really my goal, is to, you know, on the days that I really want to be productive, I have this out on my table just like this. And I literally, instead of doing my running to do, I might actually come here and pull stuff off of this and say, okay, I'm doing that this day. And so you will see some days, like this day, I just hammered it, right? I was like, I'm gonna get some stuff done. And I did. I did a really good job that day. So, you know, it just depends. Sometimes I do great, sometimes not so much. So then this back portion here is more of my like personal stuff, and this is more part of my wellness plan. This to do is just kind of something like sometimes I just need some like notes, brain dump pages for things that need to be done. And so I sort of started doing that. This was all my planners that I had purposed to sell. And let's see, 2, 3, I didn't sell that one. But I did sell all these, and I sold 2 others that are not on this list. So, woohoo! Happy about that. So then I have art notes, and this is part of a class that inspired by a class, short mini class that I took from Allie Brown. And so basically what I did was I took a picture of the artwork that I did. This is a terrible picture because my sprocket is dying. Yes, R.I.P. my poor little sprocket. I've had it for like 3 years and she's dying. So eventually I'm going to have to get something else that is easier portable wise. There are some new things out there and I'm considering them, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more prayerful about it because y'all, I have a lot of crap and just trying to not have a lot more crap. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but basically what I did was I just wrote art notes and I wrote the things that I wanted to try, and I tried those in this piece of art and I enjoyed it. So I made notes about it and put the picture here because I really liked it, and it's something I want to revisit when I actually have time to do that again. So that's what I'm going to do with these few pages. Like every time I do a piece that I enjoy, I'm gonna sort of take notes on what I did and go from there. So then my personal section, you guys know I love these little tip-ins. I'm going to start doing this again, and this is more for wellness because I really need to track this so that I have an idea of whether or not my meds might need to be adjusted, because honestly, being anxious or like overly angry or whatever, a lot of times looking back at this, I can just sort of figure out what was going on. So then I have my doctor's visits. I need to fill this out. And then I also have my lab testing that I need to put in here. So that's what this little thing here was for, to remind me to do it, and I kept forgetting. And now these are actually personal wide that I had pre-printed before when I had my, oh, look at that. Those aren't the right ones. When I had my personal wide. Oh, goodness. So, but I mean, look, they work really well in here, despite this technically being a personal planner. Okay, so these ones are a smidge longer, but I'm almost gonna trim off the edge because I don't want to, I'm sort of in that I don't want to waste things that I printed, and it is such a huge waste to reprint these just because they don't quite fit. I told y'all this is very much like, this planner is between a personal, a personal size. I live on a farm, so there's gonna be flies in my video. Personal size and personal wide. So it's like, I call it a personal plus. It's not a medium XL. It's, yeah, it's just kind of, yeah, it's a personal plus. That's what I'm gonna call it, because that's what I like. So, yeah, so I'm gonna I do need to trim the edges of this a little bit more just so it doesn't stick out quite as much. And then I do have this reading log, which I just had extra pages for, and I'm gonna use it because, again, I'm trying to use up stuff that I have. But I do have one from SM Plans that I like a lot better, and I am going to print that one because it's just not quite so kid-like, I guess. It's a little more sophisticated, but I'm gonna use this because I purchased it, and daggone it, I'm gonna use it. So, and then I do have, this is just something I had, and then I have some of my washi collection, which I just really like thumbing through this, and I need to add to it, which I will. And then they have passwords, which I'm obviously not going to show you, and then in the very back, I just have some functional stickers, and the same with here. I just have some of the extra inserts that I had printed out, and there they are. And this is the same. These are just some extra ones, and I don't know if I put these in here, if it will actually close, because it's pretty stuffed. Let's see. It's stuffed with just all the extras that I have in here. It barely closes, but yeah, so I may or may not keep those pages in the back just because I don't want it to close quite that difficult. And I didn't, for some reason, I didn't remember that I actually had some of these in here already. So that's it. It's working nicely for me. Like I said, I think not having that, oh, this is what I have to do in my planner type of mentality is what makes it work a little bit better. If I use it, great. If I don't use it, oh well. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. Just, you know, the times that I do use it, that it's, you know, bringing some enjoyment, then that's what I'm going to do. And so there you have it. You can see, you know, adding these extra papers does make it pretty taut, pretty stuffed. You can see that it's all sorts of wonky. You know, there's some that are wider and there's some that aren't, but it is what it is. I'm rocking with it because once I've used these, then I'll reprint them. And you can also see these ones here are actual personal size, so you can see the difference between most of what I've been purchasing and printing have been a personal wide at 95%. And so that's kind of like these here that you see. And then these ones were, you know, just some leftovers that I had. So it's working well. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the leather as well. It is definitely thick and durable, and I really love that. I just have a couple little charms on the bottom, and that is that. So if you guys enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.